Pentecostal Network Pennet Program Clear to Te Lalpai Swaming in Zibai Ule Dunkar Chunga Northeast India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar clear in Laungai Thang U December ni somni ningani hian kumsang ni somparia chunga tan Northeast India UPC General Headquarters Office chu khar ani dona kumthar sang ni sompakwa January ni sari thotan ni ami puite dor theitura honle ani ang Kohhran Rural Sang Executive Board in Rahmanna Asiam Angin Northeast India UPC Kohhran Huam Chunga District Sombakhatte chuan December ni somni ningani hian Arwalin District Office an Khardona Kohhran Hunpui mo dang zirna in bookstore Bible College tepo khar ani ang Mizoram Chunga District Pali Aizawl East North Mizoram Lunglei Chimtipui District le Mizoram Pona District Pasari Churachandpur Imphal Chandel Tripura, Southeast Nagaland, Central Barak District te point office kharna hun hi an district office theu an hmangdon ani United Pentecostal Church of Northeast India Kohhran chuan hun enge machena tanga lawbat saito India marchak mun changchanga Kohhran omna mun le report langsar zwal tarlanna Kohhran map asiam chu peifel anita General Headquarters Malpui Salemveng Aizawl tangin sem Tanmek ani map hi chihnia siam ni in Northeast India pumhwable Mizoram chung big map siam ani a mimal twal chung Kohhran biale district tana mamote tan leithei anita e aman Northeast India cheng sangkhat jasari Mizoram chung cheng sangkhat jali General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasai lo chuan Kohhran map hi Executive Board in India marchak Kohhran in rawngbawlna alu chin shia theina tura siam ni se tia alo pastor bozuina na siam ani a Kohhran hoten kan kalpui ngei ka beise ati map a hian General Headquarters Office District Shangshang Office Bial Headquarters omnale Kohhran hunpui mo shangshang te ba ka Kohhran Statistics Mission Field Area le and Statistics se da ani December ni sompakhat thole ni khan Pentecostal Network Pennet General Headquarters Office Malpui Salemveng Aizawl meeting anne Pennet meeting a hian kumsang ni sompakwa chunga budget tour an clear hova Secretary Unaupa Arlel Biak Filan kumsang ni sompakwa Pennet budget atan Rahman chu pharin cheng noi sompani ani a General Kohhranpui approve tura thlen ani ang budget ba ka hian media enkol na dan le kumtharata na malang na tur Rahman na shangshang an ngai to abok Meeting hi Chairman Reverend Arlel Hoyan Akai Shwai ani December ni sompathum ninga ni khan Compassion Center Project Committee General Headquarters Office Malpui Salemveng Aizawl ne ani School Principal Evangelist Zarzaulianan School Mason Danziakin a reporter ASC Home Superintendent Evangelist C. Vanalwadan Home Report Ziakin apeboka Team Project Nakalai School Building Extension School Hostel Tharle Poultry Farmhouse Sakmekle Malagna Chichangshang Report Reverend J.H. Zahlunam Project Director in Ziakin apebok Project Atana Northeast India le Foreign Lama Thopuite Thohona Chairman in Lomthu Soibok Meeting a hian kumsang hi sompakwa CCPC budget tour clear havin cheng noi zapariat sing ruksang kwa an Rahmana Compassion Center staff pay siam rem tura pass ani a project try to ten a draft siam seti ani motor hlui ti rala athar le tura pass ani a ASC home thoklai una pa thangnu na chu kumkhat alo thotlin to awangin regularize ani bok General Missions Department kaltlanga Imphal taka mission field ta mi te Christmas man na turatana thilpek petu te zongjong chunga General Missions Department IO in General Director Reverend Arlel Hoya chuan thinlung takin lomthu asoya in thilpek kaltlanga lim taka Christmas mang theitur missionary le Kohhran member ten Pennet kaltlang hian thinlung lom taka du sakna hlan chungin lomthu an soimol mula lapedu tan General Headquarters Office emo District Office emo bank kaltlang po in sumhi alapek thei renge Reverend Arlel Hoya General Missions Director 094363922122 Reverend VL Tuanga Senate General Mission Secretary 9862853343 Evangelist PC Lal Rokima, General Missions Treasurer 097740415543. General Try to the Program. General Superintendent Reverend Lalmal Somasai Laule, General Secretary Reverend Alarin Sang at Chuan Rongbawlna Poimo Boy Puin, December ni Sompanga in Rinni Khan Tipura and Pana, Pathian ni Hiandar Choi Koshana Hun Mangin, December ni Sompasari Thotan near Aizawl and Letang. General Missions Director Reverend Arlel Hoya Chuan, December ni Sompani Nilai ni Khan Aizawl Chwasanin Dimapur Mission Field Tloin Azin Chwaka, Field Mamole Trul Dang Shang Shang Boy Puin, December ni Somparia Thole near Aizawl Akirang. December ni Thum Thotan near North Mizoram District Officer Meeting Chuan, North Mizoram District in Hun Engimuchen Kalta Atanga Rongbawlna Beipui Athakal Zela, Rongbawla Aroi Chen Khate 6 Soin, Kumthar Sang Ni Sompakwa Atan Hetiang Hian Rongbawl Tutele and Rongbawlna Munturte Arwat. Evangelist C. Lal Ruat Sanga Si Thiang Reng Dil Bial, Evangelist Laldu Sakasaza, Sai Lam Sai Sial Suk Bial, Evangelist Lal Rongbawl Zela, Chim Luang, Kolasip Veng Lai Bial, Evangelist Zoram Tharasai Lau Ting Lian, Bil Khothlir Bial, Evangelist H. Lal Nun Moya, Puk Jing Veng Thar West Paileng Bial, Evangelist H. Lal Biak Tuanga, Darlung Kang Mun Bial, Evangelist Laram Lunahmar, Mualung Tu Aibok Bial, Evangelist Vanlal Zemoya Fan Ai, Ke Sarali Reng Dil Bial, Upa Vanlal Siama New Eden Reng Dil Bial, Evangelist H. Lal Mudika Chim Luang Vai Reng Te Bial. December ni Som Thotan ni Chunu Dar Som Khat Khan, North Mizoram District Enkol Pentecostal Gateway Higher Secondary School Managing Board to North Mizoram District Office Superintendent Chambara and Tukhom. Meeting hi Managing Board Chairman Reverend Lal Tuangan Kaishwayin, School no Pangten Exam and Machon Tur Tungchanga inbuatsaihna Chazok na Idan Tur Tungchanga, Study Camp na Idan Turte, Zirna in Ma Ason Zel Tura Malagdan Tur Shang Shang and Clear How Ani. December ni Sompakhat Thole ni Chuma Khan North Mizoram District Sunday School Department Executive Meeting ne ani. Meeting hi District Sunday School Director Reverend Kemal Somtuangan Akaishwaya, meeting a here North Mizoram District Huamchunga Sunday School Hall Samek the Tanpuina Pek Dan Tur Tungchang Relin, Hall Sak Tanpuina Dilzinga Heng Re Ek Bial, Ailong Kaushan, Tenzol Bial Harmon Kaushan, Dur Tlang Bial Mualveng Kaushan Le, Tlang Nuam Bial Meltum Kaushan Sunday School Hall, Samek the Tanpuini CNTA, Executive Meeting hi District Shwai Tu Pathum, Superintendent Reverend Lal Tuanga, Secretary Reverend Charpuyale, Treasurer Reverend Kelal Dusangaten and How Ani. December ni Kwa Pathian ni Khan Unaw Nu Lashiat Kimi Rongbawl, Megna Reng Dil Bial New Edena Bial to Pastor Silal Thlengnianan, Rongbawl tu Unaw Nu Lashiat Kimi Rongbawl na Kaltlanga Mitharne Mi Pathum, Suanga Idam na Baptisma at Santir. December ni Khat Inrin ni Khan Aibok Bial Sateek Eledi Techuan, Kang Mun Bial Chunga Omdar Lung Kaushante Antloa, Rongbawl na Duom Tak Anne. Eledi te PYD member Baka Kaushan Upaten Antroy Ombok. Darlunga Hian District Tirin Evangelist H. Biakluangan Rongbawl na Anay Mek Ani. December ni nga atang ni Sari Chungkhan North Mizoram District Headquarters Biak in Tuikwa Atlanga, North Mizoram District Kumtop Board na Ani. Board meeting hi District Superintendent Reverend Lal Tuangan Kaishwayin, Amusa Bunga Chang Somni Pakhatatanga Chang Somni Pali Thuchiarin, Kaushan te hian Rorel na dikhi kan mamo bera, Rorel na dikhi Kaushan him na le adam na thentu ani ati. General Headquarters IOA meeting how to Reverend Lalmal Somasilo General Superintendent po in Thusoin, North Mizoram District Tharau lam Rongbawl na le ti salam thil po amason na thu ngai nom tak tak sha turau a omreng thu ten ati lom chin ziate zirtir na diglaw la ka Kaushan haute uluk ta ka ven apoi mo ziate asoi. District Board hian District Headquarters back in Hwaichu garage ha siam ni se Kumsang hi Sompakwa January tha atanga phalag ni se antia District Missions Conference in Laurel to Tlangsang Bial Chung Om Zomwan Tlang Kaushan Missions Filta Hontur Thuchu District Board chon approve bok General Missions Department atanga Nepal Para Pastor Quarters Sakna Tur Sum Anon Dilchu ngai to in cheng noi thum si nga pek anrem ti a kumthar budgeta da ani ang pastor quarters sakthar dilna biali atangaluta konpui pastor quarters le kanghun pastor quarters thar saknan sum sanction remti ani kumsang hi Zompria District Conference in District Huamchunga Kaushan adu apyangten Pentecostal Men Fellowship PMF din aphal sakto chu PMF in kaishwaina dan ro manasiam tuten an phar chu thati in pomtlan ani a aman tan hunatan December ni riat sang hi Zompria remti ani District Sunday School dan siam approve ani bok tin Kaushan mingziale soina locality tongkam manchin chu Kaushan tia lamle zia to turin an pasbok kumsang ni Zompria Christmas lo thleng tura North Mizoram District Home Missions feltena Muslim taka anman theine turin District Missions Department kaltlangin mi in phalle Kaushan le Department engi mozaten mission felt polin chanpuina sum anpe chanpuina pe District Pendant report in adonchina rongbol tu unaw nu nute I rank deal second hand bell konpui bial LED tin ten cheng sang sari chaltlang bial LED ten cheng sing khat Aizawl bial Missions Department ten cheng sing khat sang ru Chamari PYD President in cheng sanga twal upalal du oman cheng sang khat baka twal upawanal faka saza po in field trangshanga thilpek alopeto bok missionary tele filta Kaushan hoten lim taka Christmas an man theine tura thilpek petu te chunga Missions Department IO in District Missions Director Reverend Silal Thantuanga chuan lom thu asoi ani North Mizoram District Board in Ramthiang Limjin program kumsang hi sompani atanga ro manna asiam angin December ni sompariat hian North Mizoram District chunga rongbol tu mis sompathum ten Ramthiang Lim Israel an panang Ramthiang Lim Israel jin hi district shrai tu pani District Superintendent Reverend Laltuang le District Secretary Reverend Charpui aten hovin hengmi te hi an kalang Reverend Silal Thantuanga District Missions Director Reverend Silal Ramwana si Pir Bial, Reverend Silal Monpuya Maubok Bial, Reverend Silian Chama Kolosib Diakon Bial, Reverend Silal Ramthanga Konpui Bial, Reverend Laltan Chuadin Thar Bial, Pastor B. Silatan Kima Chot Mun Bial, Pastor B. Vanal Rata Kolosib Venglai Bial, Pastoral Moglian Namte Bayrabi Bial, Pastoral Rat Kima Fan Ai Kang Hun Bial, Pastor R. Thanglura Bukpui Bial Ramthiang Lim Zintur te hian December ni sompariata Lengpui Airport te chengin Kolkata an pananga atuk December ni sompakwa atengin Mumbai atanga thlok chhuakin Bahrain tumin Bahrain atang hian Ramthiang Lim an thlok lut don ani Ramthiang Lim a hian ni rukchung an jamanga munpoi mo sangsang an tlo nuwa December ni somthum pakhat tho tania Aizawl an letang December ni ruk zirtom ni khan lunglei District PYD Board ni in President Evangelist Vilal Doman Board akai shwai Board hian kumsang hi sompakwa budget tur thlir hovin kumsang hi sompakwa lunglei District PYD budget atan cheng noi riat singthum arwa mana budget ba ka hian ASC home te ponta zirtir tu tur roi sakni se ti te North Bengal and Sikkim Missions Field te pandal structure leina turatan cheng singthum pek Sangni somni pakhat District PYD Conference chu Nathial bialina deal angin Nathiala ngani se titele Sangni sompakwa District PYD Conference mol thwam nota nei na tur thirlok na nei ani bok December ni sompanga inrin ni khan lunglei zotlang local back in sakthar chu bel to pastor Reverend PC Ngaklenan pathian hena hlanin ahong December ni somparuk pathian ni hian Aizawl local PYD te chuan luangmo local tloin an fe chhuak December ni sompani ni laini khan Phaileng South local le Lungchen North local te chuan pathian hena lom thu soi choi moina inbuatsaihna Phaileng South a hian speaker atan Reverend H Rautrama Troy Puibial to pastor to Royin Lungchen North a hian Reverend PC la Rosang an Roibok December ni sompakhat thole ni atanga tanin lunglei district headquarters biala local pani electric vengle Ramthar AOC a camping bot sai ni in electric venga hian Reverend Arlatan Kima Zemabok bel to pastor speaker atan man ania Ramthar AOC local Simon Mar putlunga si home missionary to speaker atan man ani Lunglei district Hawlong Lalveng local port revival camping nei mekania December ni sompakhat thole ni khan camping hitan ni in rongbol tu ten camp an nei masa a December ni sompani ni lai ni tlai tungin van tlang huap hon ani camping a hian speaker atan evangelist Arlel Engzawa vai sam home missionary chuman ani Lunglei district Sathun Kohhran ding thar te tam biak in huntur thatak mai cheng noi som ni in leifel anita District Board in Arel angin Sathun Kohhran ding thar te tam biak in hun leisak ani a district shrai tu te amuna kalin December ni som pakhat thole ni khan an leifel ta ani December ni som panhi ni lai ni khan Chimtuipui district kumtop board district committee room a nei ani a board a hian kumsang ni som pako chunga Kohhran puile department sang budget an rahman December ni nga atangani rukchung khan Chimtuipui district secretary Reverend Joseph L Thauthang chuan Vachuampui bial fangin home mission felt mun then khata rawngbawlna aneya vasei kai UPC building sakmek chunjom dan tur en fe in malak chunjom dan tur asoipui South Lungpher Bial chunga department te chuan Varteka mission field 10 lalpiang chibai an bugna atan thilpe khetiang hian an hlan Bial Kohhran pui cheng sang thum PMD Lungpher local cheng sang ni Bial LED cheng sang ni Bial mission cheng sang khat Longtlai South Bial Sunday School department chuan December ni sompanga in rin ni khan Longtlai cha maribiak ina Bial Sunday School meet an buatsai Mida hian inti siak na chi shang solo recitation sermon le thil dang te mangin inti siak na anneya Bial Sunday School try to ten he mi thika shwain Bial to Pastor Reverend Dr. C.C. Mopo in Atelpui ani December ni ruk atangani sari chungkhan se ha Bial chunga local PYD Aizawl inti siak na nei ani Aizawl inti siak a hian local pakwa atangin local nga telin solfa hi ahang le track mangin anin ela Inti siak program karlaka district superintendent Reverend Thanchunga Sailo district secretary Reverend Joseph L Thauthang district PYD financial secretary Tual upa Enlal Chhalmoele Bial to Pastor Reverend Kholi Li Chatin he na chingin fuina thutoi ngai thlak thin ani a unau pa gospel moya Helen Lal crossbar moi unau nuramdin moi chongthu unau pa vanro hlupuyette College Veng Ladies Voice le District Headquarters Local Female Voice ten zai rawngbawlna an nei thina District Hospital atangin Mental Health chungchang zirtirna an nei bok Zaipol chalo mandong tute pakhatna Council Veng PYD panhi na sia hatla local Pathumna District Headquarters Local Consolation Prize May Satla Local le College Veng Local PYD Best Conductor Unaw Pasi Vanalpeka Council Veng December ninga le ni rukchung khan Aizawl East District Board voiza somparuk na chu District Committee room a nei ani District Board hi Reverend Rosang Colony District Superintendent chuan kai shwain ani ni na December ni ruk ninga ni khan Reverend Lalmal Somasailo General Superintendent chuan Atelpuya anthungai to langsar zwalte Aizawl East District atanga CBC kaltur reng chu District Board kaltlanga dil na siam to tur ani Bial LED le Bial Missions Board ti len ni se ti chu general a thlen ani ang kumsang ni sompako aj silver jubilee lom na tura lower Myanmar le Kalei district try to debaka hunrei ta Kohhran chwa san to tu te Pentecostal Reform Church le iswa Kohhran te somve ni se full time evangelist atan evangelist Arvan chunga lang ni in evangelist mingchung nanga ser chip chu bel to pastor atan lak thar ani bok District Building Committee thunei na ti len turati ani UPC Northeast India pastor te impum khatna le tho ho na achat le zwal theinan pastor meet nei ni se Silver Jubilee Building tan Aizawl East District chunga member pakhat zelin cheng som ai claim lo tho ni se ti ani baka me sang ni som pakwa a Silver Jubilee man ani dona wangin kumsang ni som pakwa kumchan ve board nei lo mai ni se ti ni in kumsang ni som pakwa office staff le an kop puite polin seminar nei turati ani bok chung komai cham LED ti malak mek na chu Kohhran puiten malak pui ve tha ti ani District Inbufai chama ma ason theina loman pakhatna atanga pathumna thleng inpek thin baka consolation prize palina atanga somna thleng pek to turati ani District Missions Department motor thar leidil na pom ani baka heng Kohhran te hi biak in thiale sakthat phalsak ani Wanbong Kohhran Saitwal Kohhran Twalbung Kohhran heng Kohhran te Sunday School hall thiale sakthat phalsak ani bok Salem biak in pui Khohai Kohhran kumsang ni som pukwa February ni som pali atanga som pasari chunga champhai Bethel Belten District PYD Inkhawmpui voi som ni pangana Silver Jubilee an thlen turatan inbuatsaihna kalpui mek ani he Inkhawmpui hi Bethel filta pandal saka man tur ni in pandal hi adung fit za som thumle awang fit somriat a liana saktur ani a pandal sakna hi December ni riat inrin ni khan thokchadin member somli chuang an thokchhuaka pandal bantur an phunzo thei ani Tarlan to angin Aizawl East District PYD Inkhawmpui a hian thupuya pathian be seiro sam number somli pahni changa thu mantur ni in thupui hi chen som lovin District PYD shrai to hluile thar te hne na tringin thu cha ngai thlak thin ani don ani District PYD Inkhawmpui sang ni som pakwa a hian kumdanga ti ngai lo angin rural velo te tan wantlang inkhawm pandala nei ani don ba ka inrini jingkara social work nein champhai khuchung ti fai na thotura ro man ani a heta hian Silver Jubilee t-shirt hawek tura ti ani he Inkhawmpui a hian District PYD shrai to hluile tharte chormoina hun an mangdon bok ani Serchi bek impui kaushana revival crusade nei mekal zela December ni ko pathiani tlai khan Serchi bazara mall inkhawm nei ani Evangelist H Larin Fellowship speaker man ni in unaw nu lal chanpui hne na tengin faklang ai thak ani bok Serchi bek impui kaushana hian Evangelist H Larin Fellowship speaker mang hian crusade lotling taka nei chhomek zel ani Trumpui bial PYD te buatsain zuang tuya December ni kwa pathiani tlai vek khan mual inkhawm lotling taka nei ani boka speaker a bial to pastor Reverend KVL mangai kima anroi December ni riat inri ni khan unaw nu ram tiam moi te chung kwa Upper Republic kaushan te chuan pathian hne na lom thu soi choi moina nein kaushan hoten lim takin hun an manga speaker a Evangelist Arvan chunga anroi choi moina program hi pathian ni zan thleng khan hun an manga ni December ni sompanga inrin ni khan unaw pa kelal lung hne mate chung kwa salem veng kaushan te chuan pathian hne na lom thu soi choi moina anneya speaker a Reverend Rosanga Colony District Superintendent mangin choi moina program hi December ni sompali zirtop jana changkhan mantan ni in pathian ni zan thleng hun an mangdon ani December ni khata changani ko chung khan mol pui kaushan chuan revival crusade an buatsaya rongbol turin Evangelist HKL mangaile ati mi pariat te anraya an rongbol nalal panmal somin tharau thianglim ombuina hnuaya kaushan hoten lim takin hun an manga December ni kwa pathian ni khan mi pakhatin swangai damna baptisma achang December ni sompanga inrin ni khan upa walal mwagate chung kwa chuan lom thu soi choi moina pe in kaushan hoten lim takin hunan manga choi moina program hi December ni sompali zirtop jana chang khan tanin pathian ni jan thleng hian Evangelist HKL mangaile atim te hian rongbol na an nei don ani December ni som thortan jana chang khan Bethlehem wengthlang kaushana Evangelist mingtung nanga share chief speaker amangin revival crusade nei mek ani He crusade a hian pathian tharau thianglim ompuina hnuaya lim taka man ni in pathian ni zan thleng o tura ro man ani Aizawl East District Republic Wengthlang kaushan chuan December ni khata changani ko chung khan revival crusade an buatsaya he crusade a hian speaker atan Evangelist H Lallimpuya District Revival speaker Roin team member pathumten antroi om Crusade hilal panmala soma mi enge muzatin tharau thianglim siam tharna an chang thar ani Crusade pol hian kaushan chung kwa inkhawm kim hun buatsai ni a kaushan hoten an hlutle Speaker le team te rongbol nalal pan amangin kaushan bel ngai loten kaushan bel tharin lam ngai lote polal pa faken an lam thar bok ani December ni kwa pathian ni zan khan Trumpui kaushan te chuan chung ko zan hlotling takin an mang Inkhawm hi Trumpui kaushan secretary upa arlal ramwanan ka shwain bel to pastor Reverend KVL mangai kimahne na tengin chung ko din uluk atul ziati thupui mangin thu soi ngai thak ani Trumpui kaushana hian member zalivel omin chung ko zan inkhawma hian member zahni somnga atanga zathum inkhomin upa bial som bakhat a omeka upa bial te in chungtin an thu khom ani upa ten mani bial inkhawm dan report le an bial chunga member omzate report le in melshia tirna an nei hlom ani he huna inkhawm kaushan chung ko tin ti hian hlok thak an ti hle ani Aizawl East District try to the program Reverend Rosanga Colony District Superintendent Juan Salem Kaushanaloi Unaw Pakela Lungne Mate Chungkwa in Pathian Choi Moina in Rinia Anneya Speaker Atangin Pathian Izan Thleng Hun Amagang Reverend Biak Sangzola District Secretary chuan khoru liam biala rawngbawlna poimo nein hun amang meka pathiani zan thleng hun amangang. Reverend Valel Philaram Tiam District Treasurer chuan Note Diltlang huna thianghlimna seminar nein rawngbawlna anei meka pathiani zan thleng hun amangang. Reverend C. Moizola District Sunday School Director chuan Inrin Nikhan North Diltlang Kohhran Sunday School Hall honna nein pathiani zan thleng hun amangang. Ole khatizong khatun tumatana North East India UPC Kohhran rawngbawlna chanchin thar kan thlir le ngai thlak ho le theite ni e.